Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, we will be using and trying out the new Milk Hydro Grip Gel Tints. Milk has came out with a new skin tint and I'm super excited to try it. I feel like they have dropped right in time for the upcoming spring summer season, which is a time where we're like, okay, a foundation may be a little bit too heavy. Give me a little skin tint, give me a little blush, and let me go on my way. So I feel like the timing of this drop is super perfect, and I want to try them out with you guys to give you guys the real tea, my honest opinion on what I think about these. Your girl has came a long way in her skin journey, and now I have graduated to the point where I could wear a skin tint and go about my business, and I love that for me. So if you guys are interested in seeing a demo, a wear test, as well as additional details on the new Milk Hydro Grip Gel Tint, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below because we are doing big things over here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. And don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, anything that's on your mind after watching this video. Drop it down below in the comments. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This Milk Makeup Hydro Grip 12-Hour Hydrating Gel Skin Tint claims to be light coverage, non-comedogenic, long wearing, and includes niacinamide. The formula of this skin tint claims to be light to medium coverage and have a natural dewy finish. Milk Makeup did gift me two shades in this skin tint. They gifted me the shades 10 and the shade 11. I just returned from a cute, tropical, relaxing vacation. So I do have a little bit of a tan right now, but we're going to go ahead and swatch both of the shades and see which one will be a better fit for your girl. So this is the shade 10. That is too light. And then this is the shade 11, which also may be too light. Okay, we're going to try our luck with the shade 11, which is the darker shade. The coverage is immaculate. Come on, coverage. I went ahead and applied the skin tint to this half of my face, and this half of my face has no skin tint. I definitely think that the coverage that the skin tint gives, to me, in my opinion, is more than the coverage that I have received from other skin tints. Like usually this would be the result after like 2 or 3 layers. Maybe 1 layer and we get this much coverage. Ooh, Milk Makeup baby onto something. The shade I'm a little unsure about because as I mentioned, I do have a tan right now. But it's not too bad. I'm interested to see if it's going to oxidize and how it's going to blend with the rest of the products I'm going to use to do my makeup. I didn't apply any primer before putting this skin tint on. So I did want to call out that I did not use any primer before applying this skin tint. Based on my understanding of the claims, it acts as a primer plus a skin tint. So I really wanted to test those claims. So we went in with no primer, just so you guys know. I'm going to go ahead and apply the skin tint to the other half of my face, and then we're going to move along. It also feels super lightweight on my face. It doesn't feel like I have anything on right now. And I also feel like this brush from Milk Makeup is perfect for blending the skin tint in. It has a nice dense bristle, so it just like packs it on. Yeah, look. Watch. Y'all see I have some dark spots. Boom, boom, boom. Watch. Like where? Immediately disappear. And I love how small this brush is because it allows me to get into like little spaces under my eye, in the corners and the crevices. This Milk skin tint is formulated using a triple powered hyaluronic acid, which combines 3 molecular weights to deeply hydrate and support your skin's barrier. It's also formulated with niacinamide, squalene, and aloe water, which help boost, moisturize, and visibly smooth the skin. And it also has blue agave extract, which keeps makeup gripped on for up to 12 hours to prevent fading and creasing. And then I'm just gonna go in with my sponge to pick up any extra product. I don't know, yeah. I don't know, yeah. It looks so good. Like, it gives the skin a nice, natural, dewy finish as it claimed it was gonna do. It does it. It looks so good. The only thing I'm unsure about is the shade match. How do we feel so far about the shade match? Too good? Too light? Just right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the remainder of my face, and hopefully we look good. I definitely feel like the shade got a little darker after it settled into my skin a little bit. Because at first it was giving jump scare. But now it's giving like, okay, girl, like we kind of blended in a little bit. It don't look too bad. It don't look too bad. So let me do the rest of my makeup and then we will see how everything looks together. I look fly, I look too good, put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look too good. So here's how my face looks after I finish the rest of my makeup. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with the results of my makeup using the new Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Gel Tint. Like, excuse me? Excuse me? I'm super excited to see how this skin tint is gonna wear throughout the day. So the time is currently 1:05 p.m. and I'm probably gonna wear this until around 7, 5, 6 maybe. We'll see. But I'm gonna do a wear test for the next few hours to see how it wears. The product claims to be formulated in a way where it does increase throughout the day. So I'm super excited to see, are those claims true or not? You know I'm gonna give you guys the real tea, right? Yeah, I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed. It feels super lightweight. As I mentioned, it's formulated with no fragrance, so we love that. And it's also non-comedogenic, which we love that. In case you guys don't know, non-comedogenic means that it doesn't have any oils that will clog your pores. And as a girly who has acne-prone skin, that is super important for me, especially when it comes to my complexion products. So once I saw that this skin tint was non-comedogenic and fragrance-free, I said, sign me up. Sign me up. If you are someone with sensitive skin or acne-prone skin, baby, this may be the one for you. It really may be. But I'm going to wear it for the next few hours and see what it's giving. So I will be back with my final results. Hey guys, so it's hours later. It's currently 8:27 p.m. and I just finished running my errands. I did a yoga class and everything, and I kept my makeup on throughout the day. So this is about like a 7-8 hour wear test, and I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. Like, look at the skin. I did not blot one time. And mind you, this claimed to have a natural dewy finish, which we saw at the beginning. But in combination with all of the rest of my products, this is how the skin looks after 8 hours of wearing this foundation in the Houston heat, through a yoga class, running errands, environmental factors and all. And this is how the face is looking. not too shabby, not too shabby at all. So I wanted to run through the list of claims and let you guys know my honest thoughts and opinions. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as I mentioned earlier, this skin tint claims to have 12-hour wear. We only wear it for 8 hours, but I could definitely see it stretching all the way to 12 hours. I personally don't think that I wear foundations for 12 hours, but maybe the 8 hours. She clocked in, she did her shift, and now she's about to clock out. So the blue agave extract in this foundation, as I mentioned, it claims to keep makeup gripped on up to 12 hours to prevent fading and creasing. I didn't experience much fading or creasing, even though I was yoga, downward dog, doing X, Y, and Z. I haven't noticed fading. We still have the full amount of coverage that we had at the beginning. Creasing, do y'all see any creasing? I mean, like, you know, under your eyes. When makeup products say they prevent creasing, I'm like, baby, if the creases is creasing, they gonna crease. That's one thing about it. But I haven't noticed like any extraordinary creasing, like my smile line staying or anything like that. I also wanted to comment because I told you guys earlier that I did not wear any primer with today's makeup look, and I was a little nervous at first. I honestly forgot to put primer on, but then afterwards I'm like, the primer I use is the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This skin tint is the Milk Hydro Grip gel tint. So I feel like the tint should do the job of the tint plus the primer. That's how I was thinking. They didn't say that, but that's what I was thinking. And honestly, I feel like my skin, my makeup looks fine after 8 hours of wear with no primer. So overall, I definitely love this skin tint. I feel like the color match is perfect. I'll go ahead and insert a video of what my skin looked like in natural lighting right before I left for my yoga class. But I feel like the foundation definitely like settled into my skin. At first, I felt like it was a little too light, but after, you know, wearing it and matching it with my other products, I feel like it is literally perfect. So it's safe to say that this will be my skin tint of the summer. Comment down below and let me know, have you guys tried the skin tint? Do you guys plan on picking it up? Comment down below. And you guys, the Sephora savings event is coming up. So if you guys are looking to try this skin tint, I will highly recommend, you know, adding it to your cart for that sale. Let's go ahead and start curating our carts. But comment down below and let me know your thoughts and opinions. I will have all products used in this video down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check those links. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.